So Module 3 begins today, and as you can see, it will last through 4 units, Unit 8, 9, 10, and 11. So it'll follow a very similar pattern that you followed in Module 1 and Module 2. So let's go ahead and look at the overview so you can see that. Okay, so these are the module objectives, and these are the assignments that we'll be covering in Module 3. Assignment 7, 8, and 9, Paper 3, and the quiz like you did for last module. Oh, and a discussion as well. So you'll see the breakdown of what will be required in these units, and then you go ahead and move over to Unit 8, which began today. So again, these are instructions or objectives that we will cover in the reading. These readings are actually not in the current textbook that we have, so I'll go ahead and delete those. But these handouts will give you very similar information that you will need. Week 8 lessons you'll have. So the lesson here is just a lesson in case anybody wants to use Poll Daddy. And the quoting lesson is not available yet, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you want to use Poll Daddy for your assignment number 7, you can go ahead and link there. Okay, so discussion 2 is going on right now. That is the peer review over paper 2. Many of you have not started. In fact, no one has started, and today is the last day. So if you're going to participate in that, go ahead and get over there and get started. All right, so your assignment for this week is your primary research project. Now this project is going to take some time, as you'll see when you click on it and go over and get the instructions, but the time required is just time that you would need to actually talk to people, because the assignment is primary research. And with primary research, basically you're doing research. So you can conduct an interview or a survey, so you can conduct your own primary research, or if you don't have time for that, then you can locate primary research articles in a database. So just follow the instructions for that, and then obviously at the very end there'll be examples of your assignment if you're doing option 1 or option 2, and make sure you look at that example before you submit your paper. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this module or for this unit. I want to go ahead and congratulate some people. I want to congratulate Kylie, Marissa, Nicholas Gahn, Michael, and Diana, who are doing a fabulous job so far in the course, which is a very low number considering or comparing past semesters. So it's not too late for many of you to get on board and start doing what you need to be doing to do well in the class. So if you want to participate and you want to pass and you want to get an A or a B in this class, you need to make sure that you start following directions and doing everything that's listed in the Unit 8, Unit 9, Unit 10 area, and get it turned in on time. There's still time to pass. As you can see, we've only had 2 modules and we still have 3 modules to go. So these 2 modules only equate to 40%, 20%, 20%. So that means that 60% of your grade is still left to be completed. So if you're in the D range and even the F range, you can still do well in the class. So I hope you will choose to do that. And if you do and you need help, just make sure that you either email me, or your best bet is to go into Ask Piazza just by clicking the link here and asking your question over there. These questions get answered a lot quicker than the questions that you ask in Canvas. I'm sure you've noticed that already. So just like I showed you earlier, you will find any group discussions that you're involved in over here on the left side. Okay, and if you want to create a post and ask a question, just hit New Post and then make sure that you choose Question and then give it a summary and the details of your question. It helps if you're asking a question about a particular assignment to tag it. Okay, and don't be afraid to post as you and not anonymous. Okay, so that's it for this podcast. Good luck, and I'll see you all soon online.